Gordy, look at this.
Stop.
This house looks exactly like yours.
Wait, what?
They even have your bedroom window up there.
This is a rock, and this is water. If you pour water on a rock, nothing happens. But if you pour water on a rock, nothing happens. But if you pour water on a rock, time after time after time, nothing happens.
And a hard-fought battle on both ends. Each team, well, they had their differences, but they're showing good sportsmanship here as never mind!
I make a fall, I'm nice, then my mama cry. I'm going in, I'm putting everything on the line. Dropped out of school to chase my dream, I had something for the pro.
This dog's kind of crazy with it. Hey, fool! What you wooing at me, fool? Don't growl at me. I gotta watch you, fool. You're gonna bite someone. I don't know whose dog you are. You woo. Motherfucker. This fool crazy. I'm watching you, fool. You're gonna bite a fucking child. Whose dog is this? Hey, come on. Weirdo.
Okay, someone put their persona pointing a gun at me and said, "Show us what's inside the fridge, Wayne." You want the truth? You want the truth? You want the fucking truth? Oh, there is no fridge! I lied! It was never real.
Manito, tú no eres el hombre bala. Ay, se le cayó el cubilete.
Did you just eat me in Roblox?
Yes, get wrecked.
My dad works for Roblox.
Oh, how scary. Let me go. He's going to ban me.
No, he will get you pregnant.
What? You're joking, right?
No, he will lock you in his dungeon and get you pregnant.
I don't think I understand. Is there some sort of punchline here?
Pregnant. You will be committed. Here my dad comes.
You're getting pregnant.
Pregnant.
Oh, ganay-ganay.